Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system or the Porsche communications management system in this 2013 Porsche Cayenne. First thing we do, make sure Bluetooth is on. Now it may already be looking, so we're watching out other devices here. In the meantime, we go to phone, and you've got find telephone there. It's showing up. PCM, it's already showing up, but I'll click find there, and let's just see what happens. It would have initiated the process by just clicking on PCM here. So there we go, Barry's iPhone. Click on Barry's iPhone. And there you go, Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Allow. Please confirm Bluetooth code. Well, we've done that already. And that's it. There you go, it's connected.